Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Memory Bank. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so for this game you're only going to need a few household items. If you have 5 balloons, if you have 5 paper plates, if you have 5 different color sheets of paper, those are the only items you're going to need. If you have a red, green, yellow, purple, and pink, those are the items that are the colors I'll be using for this activity. You can create your own colors. It's completely up to you. So make sure you stay tuned for the demonstration of the activity. Alright, so for this game, your job is to match whatever somebody is saying. So the first way you're going to do this is you're going to be facing the wall and in a nice squat position. If somebody says red, you got to tap red. If somebody says yellow, you tap yellow. If somebody says purple, you tap purple. And you keep doing it, okay? There's going to be 4 different levels. Every level gets a little bit harder, and you guys have to memorize things in your memory bank in order to be successful. So Jordan's going to give this a shot, so stay tuned, and we're going to have him try it out. Alright, so the process of this game is level 1, the person only has to tap 1 color. Level 2, they're going to have to tap 2 colors. So if I say pink, green, they got to tap 2 colors. Level 3, they're going to have to tap 3 different colors. Level 4, they're going to have to tap 4 different colors within the time frame. So they're going to have 5 seconds in order to complete it. If they do not, they get 1 strike. Alright, so Jordan's going to go and turn around in a nice squat position. And remember, he can only make 3 mistakes. If he makes more than 3 mistakes, his game's over. If he's able to get to level 4 and complete all of them, he wins the activity. Okay, so here we go. If you guys want to time yourself, you could even do that. Have one person to get timed to see how fast they can complete all 4 levels. Or you can just see if you can make it all the way up to level 4. So, Jordan, are you ready? Pink, red, green, purple, yellow. All right, moving on to level number 2. Yellow, green, purple, pink, red, green, yellow, green, purple, yellow. Alright, 3. Remember, he has to hit 3 different colors in 5 seconds. Green, yellow, pink. Pink, purple, red.
Oh, messed up.
That's 1 strike. Pink, purple, red. Red, purple, yellow. Pink, green, red. Purple, green, yellow. Alright, Jordan's moving on to level number 4. Level number 4, so now he has 4 different colors he has to pick. Remember, if he picks the wrong color, let's say I say yellow and he picks pink, that's another strike. He has 1 strike already, so if he gets 2 more strikes, game's over. Pink, green, purple, red. Yellow, green, pink, red. Purple, yellow, green, red. Red, pink, green, yellow. 5 seconds. Green, purple, yellow, pink. Okay, so Jordan just completed his challenge for memory bank, and he only got 1 strike. So I'm hoping to beat his score, and we'll see how we do.
Pink, red, green, purple, yellow. Level 2.
Level 2.
Yellow, green. Red, green. Yellow, green. Purple, yellow. Green, yellow, pink. Pink, purple, red. Red, purple, yellow.
Oh, 1 strike.
Red, purple, yellow.
Red.
Pink, green, red. Green, red.
Pink, green, red.
Pink, green, yellow. Pink, green, purple, red.
So I got 3 strikes in memory bank. I just failed. I lost my game. Again, Jordan only had 1 strike on it. So can you beat Jordan's score? Because you definitely probably going to beat my score. We'll find out. Make sure you guys type in the comment below. Did you beat his score? Were you able to do it with no strikes? Were you able to do it with 1, 2, 3 strikes? We'll see. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Memory Bank. Please don't
Forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.